Sacred Venus
and sacred Mars,
is the dance of polarities,
a safe container for the opposite sex to explore and learn from each other.
with a reminder that first, that love resides inside of you.
Harmonizing the masculine and feminine energies within allows us to fully receive and appreciate these energies and the dance of polarities.
Sacred Venus and Sacred Mars is this safe space to co-create and play this beautiful dance of the creation of the divine feminine and the divine masculine.